Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we are going to have another look at another RC car. And as you can see, we got the remote and everything already out of the box since we are still in our, yeah, let's be real, not so great setup. And I thought we should just see it in action and then call it a day, because it's not as detailed and good, yeah, to see everything as if we had our main setup. So we are gonna rush through this. As you can see, we got some nice movement on this car, which is quite nice. We can actually remove the cap here, and you will see in a sec there's yeah, not much underneath. They just try to save some space and weight. So that is, yeah, all that is there to it. Um, yeah, and let's put that back on and try how it actually rolls, how that goes, what it does, and then I think you have an idea here. So all you all have to do is put these little clamps on there to keep everything in place. Cruise right forward, and in the back as well. Then you can start running your little car and yeah, explore whatever is happening. So let's see, everything is almost back in place. It's great. Just like that. And let's try how that performs. It almost fell off. Let's put it on the ground. As you can see, we actually have some nice lighting as well. Looking really good, especially when it's a little darker. So can't really say anything bad about that either. And yeah, let's see how this performs. It is pretty wide. As you can see, the reels are quite far away from the car, which is giving it an interesting look, if you ask me. But it is definitely not bad. It reacts quite well. It can easily run on the carpet, as you see, and it has quite some power to it as well. And as you see, forward and backwards, easy peasy. And yeah, this is kind of what this is all about. So if you are looking for a nice racing car, this might be it. Got quite a punch. And I think we can call this a day after all. I will drive a little around. You can check it out yourself if you wanted to. And yeah, that should be enough though. So take care, you guys. Until next time. Bye bye.